Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are. Today is February 12, 2019. This is a midday market update. So let's go ahead and take a look at the market internal. Before we look at the internal, let's quickly run down the cash index and see where they are. The Dow Jones Industrial is up a whopping 1.5% plus 376 points. And the S&P is also up 1.35% plus 36.6 point, and the Nasdaq 100 is up 1.45% plus 100 point. The Russell 2000 is plus 1.12% plus 17 point, and the composite, the Nasdaq composite, is up 1.4% at plus 101 point, and the transportation again putting in a very strong day, plus 1.72% plus 177 point. And looking at the crude oil, also the crude is pretty strong today. It is up closer to 2.5%, up $1.30, and gold is still kind of hovering that 1313 level. Is up a 0.15% plus $2, right? And the ES right now, the ES, the E-mini S&P 500 is up 37 point, and the NQ, the Nasdaq 100 E-mini Nasdaq 100 future is up 101 point. So looking at the internal, let me so the internal, if we take a look at the up-down volume ratio, very strong today. The New York Stock Exchange is running 4-1 in favor of the volume, and in the Nasdaq is also a little bit about 4-1, and the Russell is 2.79-1. And looking at the advanced decline, you can see the advanced decline. The advancer is ahead of the decliner by 1635 issues in the New York Exchange, and the in the Nasdaq, it's the advancer is running ahead of the decliner by 1557. The cumulative tick is also positive today. It matched the level of yesterday, so yesterday it was a fairly strong day as well. So in the Nasdaq, the cumulative tick is also positive. As you can see, let me go and clear my throat a little bit. I feel my voice is a little bit hoarse. Okay, and look at the ES. Extension is more of an open drive. Right, open out of range and drive, and right now it's just came off a new high of the day, and it looks like it might still want to head higher. We'll take a closer look later on in this broadcast here. And same with the Nasdaq, the NQ, open drive, and right now it's trading above the IB range, similarly way above the IB range on the ES. Okay, and that's the quick look at the breadth, and let's go and take a look at the daily candlestick chart here on the ES. You can see that nice strong day so far, and took to this 27 26 27 high volume no here. So we're basically looking at a couple days ago, like somewhere around that 2730, and it seemed like it is destined to come up to that 2800. I was basically looking for a pullback down to this area here, and it seemed like maybe this 2680-ish might be the pullback low. So we'll see, but definitely right now it seems like it is making its move toward that 2800 mark that we've been talking about for the last couple of weeks. And if we take a look at the volume profile, the volume profile, there was a little bit of a balance here, and we're saying it's going to make a move, and it made a move down, to this this area here for a couple of days, and then yesterday start framing up again. So right now is moving above this little bit of a couple of day balance, and it is setting up a sort of a B distribution here today, right, on the profile. So we'll see how this thing hold up. It seems like it might want to just go ahead and come up and tag that 2800. And in the market profile, you see that it is clearing out some of these stuff here, right? The pull high that was made, that left behind here on the 5th, and the point of control on the 6th. So today it has taken care of those, and these are the points up here. We have some print that was left behind back in December, back on December the 4th. So those are the level on the upside to watch is somewhere around 2766 area and 2762. So those are the cluster. There's a couple level there. There's about 3 level, and if we pull back again, then we see these right here. There's a couple single print here that need to be filled, and also down here as well with a couple of the naked point of control that need to be tested. So we'll see how this thing runs, but certainly it's looked like it want to go higher for now. And if we switch over to take a look at the daily profile, let's start off with the market profile, and let me blow this up here so we get a better look here. And let's go to the market profile first, and then we'll come back to the volume profile. So you can see the market profile so far is fairly clean high and clean low, but it has left a single print area here. So we'll see how much of a pullback later on the day, and see would it come in and fill some of these single print, right? And so you can see that it has taken care of the pull high and the single print. I mean the point of control from way back 2/6. Did I have a wrong date on here? Okay, I gotta go back and take a look at that. Okay, yeah. All right, something is not right here on this chart here, so I gotta take a look at it later on. So anyway, let's go and take a look at the daily volume profile. You can see that it was building a volume here. Looked like it might wanted to shift this developing point of control to come up here. So right now it seems to move away from that and breaking into a new high of the day. And it is finding a little bit of acceptance here, so we might see a little bit more push, and maybe later on it will come back down here and chop around here a little bit more. Then that will shift this point of control up to this area somewhere around 2741, 2742 area. Okay, so that's basically what we're looking at right now. It is above this IB high and also overnight high. So these two level could come down and chop on these level again, because there is a this high nose, high volume zone here. So essentially it is a B distribution today. All right, if you look at this, all right, I got too many lines there. So so it's a more of like a B distribution. All right, so that is the midday update. Hopefully you find this informative and useful. If you do, click the thumbs up, give it a like, and if you're not a subscriber on my YouTube channel, go and subscribe, and make sure to click on that bell icon so you get notification when I do a live video such as this, or when I go and upload a new video. Then you'll be notified there's a new video on my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you again, and thank you for watching. Hopefully you're having a great day, and wish you all the best of luck on your trading, and